When I came to Dr. Chow's office, I was very surprised. He's so relaxed, well-natured, easygoing, easy to talk to, and he listened to what I had said, and I knew that because of the way he explained things back to me. My old augmentation, second time over, was quite a mess and really needed to be looked at seriously. And what he had done is he had decreased my size. Fantastic idea. He looked at my body shape. He helped me, I really found myself during this time because I'm not the big breast kind of woman. I am an athletic woman. I like to play with my son and do sports and all the other activities that you can think of in the winter and summer, and I couldn't do them as well because I couldn't even sleep on my stomach because of this issue I had. I am so happy right now. I feel like myself. This is how I'm supposed to be. This is the natural me, really.